Hello class, this is my final page for peer review. So I'm going to log out first and I'm going to create a new user. For example, okay, Diego. Oh. Diego Robert at acme.com. Okay. Let's register. Welcome, Diego. We are going to see now that we have a cookie. Okay, if I press here, I'm going to be redirected to the home view every time. But let's log in. Diego, Acme. Okay, when I'm logging, you will see that the cookie was deleted. Okay, so let's go to Sport and we can see that we are redirected to the admin view. Okay, explosive. We have in comments here. We are going to see, oh, no cookies. We are going to see the HTML validation and the CSS validation. Let's see. Okay, perfect. And here, perfect. So let's create a new comment. I submit my comment. And now I see my comment. Let's go to the admin view and my comment appears. I will try to edit, but before we will see that it's validated. The same with CSS. And I will try to update. Yes, that works perfectly. I'm going to edit this one and was successful. Now, if I want to delete, I just press delete. There is a warning. Okay, we will see the validation too, and also the HTML validation. Maybe I need to press it again. And okay, they are perfect. And we are going to delete. Now I'm going to log out and everything works perfect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that your feedback will help me to improve my final commitment. Thank you, Guy. Yeah, bye.